left shaken following an attempted robbery at Shoprite in Dube. It appears there's a common trend between the last robbery and this one. Business owners who have stalls opposite Shoprite say these perpetrators have used 7:30 as a time to execute these crimes. One stall owner recalls a day where the same incident took place.
I was getting to be some meeting begging to be Sebaphuma uyadubula lo muntu uyadubula uyamemeza uyarasa uyadubula phezulu aphethe R1 omunye bekamela asuka bahamba ke bayale.
She says, with all the shootings and criminal activities that happen here almost every week, this place has increasingly become dangerous.
Nali amateksi asiphazamisa. Asikho safe. Mina abantwana bami ngisho balimala nje the last ngolosithathu babuye esikolweni. Ngayo le amateksi still into efanayo nale yase Shoprite. Ngathi lenda ngahlala namaphoyisa ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngoba kusho ukuthi semini ntambama kuyafana.
Police say nothing was taken. However, an investigation is currently underway to find the perpetrators. They have also appealed to the community to come forward with any kind of information. Mnisi, Soweto TV News in Dube.